fourth graders. Today we're going to be talking about singular possessive nouns. So we're going to be putting an apostrophe S. Up here, can you write apostrophe S after a noun? We're going to read in the box. A singular possessive noun shows ownership by one person or one thing. Add apostrophe S to a singular noun to make it possessive. Over here in the thinking box, it says, what word shows ownership by one person or one thing? So let's read here. The earth dragon's anger. You see that they have things highlighted in there, okay? Singular possessive. So dragons has an apostrophe S. The earth dragon's anger. His anger is singular possessive. Just one, right? He owns the anger. By one person or one thing. I wouldn't call him a person. I'd call him a thing, right? So let's look at the next one. The most important thing to remember, guys, is when the apostrophe is before the S, it's singular or one. Sometimes we'll do after the S, which is plural. All right, here we go. Write each phrase another way. Use the possessive form of the underlined noun. So if I have the father of Chin, I would call him Chin's father. Okay, I'm going to capitalize because it's a name. Okay, and remember, it's singular, so I'm going to put it before the S. And all the ones that we're doing on this page today are going to be before the S. Chin's father, singular. He only has one father. Okay, so the next one says the son of Azing. Okay, so if I was going to describe the son of Azing, it would be Azing's son. So you're taking that underlined word, okay, writing it, and then adding your apostrophe S to show that ownership. All right, I'm going to leave the rest of those for you, and I will meet you on page 140. All right, so before on the page that we just did, we were doing singular, which means one. On this page, we're going to be doing plural possessive nouns. So we're going to be doing more than one. We're going to be doing S apostrophe to show plural. Let's read in our box. A plural possessive noun shows ownership by more than one person or thing. Remember on the other page, it was just one person or thing. When a plural noun ends with S, add only an apostrophe to make it possessive, just like we did up here, S with an apostrophe. When a plural noun does not end in S, okay, and that happens too, then you just add an apostrophe to make it possessive. They're going to give us an example of each one. So we have plural possessive noun. We have the dragon's cave. Okay, and so we notice there that we have to put it after the S. Okay, now look at the next one. The word men didn't end in S, so we had to say men's, we had to say apostrophe S. Okay, all right, let's do a couple together. So pay attention to whether the word that you're doing ends in S or not, okay? Let's look at number one, the legends of different countries. So I'm going to take the word, okay, that we're going to make plural, which in this case is countries, because they've already got different here, so we don't need to rewrite that. So we're going to turn it into different countries' legends. And countries ends in an S already, correct? So then we get to put it after the S. Okay? So pay attention to if it ends in an S or not, because I can see the next one does, but then children does not. So on children, you're going to have to go apostrophe S. Okay, so you're really only writing this word right here with the correct apostrophe S or S apostrophe. All right, good luck, guys. You got this.